I bought this broken Game Boy Micro on eBay for just a few dollars. The issue was it wouldn't power on, but these buttons did light up for a brief second, but it was unusable. It ended up being a bad battery, so I wanted to create a quick video to show you how to replace it. To start, locate the battery cover on the right here when you flip it over, and there is one screw here that you need to remove. Now I have already replaced the battery with this replacement, but you'll be able to remove the battery from the connection here by just pulling on it gently. And then you would get your new battery. Make sure the prongs here, there is one side where they are closer to the edge than the other. The ones closer will go to the bottom. I suggest using a plastic tool or your fingers for this. I tried using tweezers and got a spark. So don't do that. All right, once it's in there, give it a good push so it doesn't come out. The OEM battery had the wires wrapped up here near the top, like that. Make sure you have your foam on the plate. These tabs go in first, and then screw it in. The faceplate is scratched, but wow, I am terrible. But it works.